Read the numbers. 11, 31, 91, 81, 61, 22, 32, 12, 42, 92, 43, 13, 83, 53, 93, 16, 36, 76, 86, 56, 17, 37, 67, 77, 87, 10, 60, 20, 70, 40, 15, 35, 65, 75, 95, 24, 64, 84, 44, 94, 19, 39, 69, 99, 49, 18, 48, 38, 98, 58. Numbers. Counting forward. The children had brought many marigolds to make garlands. Gampu and Motia sat down to make the garlands. Gampu was threading the flowers on the string pretty fast, and Motia could not keep up with him. When all the flowers were finished, Gampu's garland was longer than Motia's. Mani asked Gampu, "How many flowers are there in your garland?" Gampu counted the flowers and answered, "I have 18. Nandu said, "I brought 32 flowers altogether. Now, Motia, count the flowers in your garland forward after 18. Then Motia counted 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, up to 32 flowers. "That's right," said Nandu. "We have all the 32 flowers in the 2 garlands." Then Mani asked, "But how many flowers does Motia's garland have?" "Shall we count Motia's flowers afresh, or shall we do a subtraction?" Sonu wondered. Motia said, "I feel it's easier to count than to do subtraction sums," and set about counting the flowers in his garland. There were 14. Sonu said, "We have learnt one more thing, that 18 and 14 make 32 altogether."
We learnt adding numbers by counting forward serially. Here, we will count forward in stages of a number. Let us see a few examples to understand this. We can see a number strip and also a rabbit hopping on different numbers. See the dotted lines. The rabbit is taking leaps of 3 numbers at a time in one hop. We can see that the rabbit hopped from the number 3 to 6, then to 9, then 12, and finally on 15. Let us write the numbers from which the rabbit hops. 3 to 6, to 9, to 12, to 15. This indicates that if we count 3 forward from 3, we get 6. If we count 3 forward from 6, we get 9. If we count 3 forward from 9, we get 12. If we count 3 forward from 12, we get 15. Thus, every time we get the next numbers by counting 3 numbers forward. Hence, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the numbers that come in stages of 3, starting from 3. Let us take another example. We can see the numbers from 1 to 25. The deer is seen leaping on the numbers, starting from number 5. See the dotted line. Let us write the numbers from which the deer leaps. Starting from the number 5, the next number the deer leaps on is 10, then 15, then 20, and finally 25. Thus, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the numbers that come in stages of 5, starting from 5. Hence, we conclude that to write the stages of a given number, count that same number forward every time to get the next number. Look at the numbers on which the frog jumps. See the number line. The frog is shown leaping on the dotted line. The frog starts from number 1, jumps 2 steps forward to the number 3, then again jumps 2 steps forward to number 5, and so on till number 21, every time jumping 2 numbers forward. Let us circle the numbers and write them down. These are numbers that come in stages of 2, starting from 1. The numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Look at the numbers in the colored boxes. In the stages of which number do they come? Solution. Starting from 4, count the squares till you reach the next colored square, that is 8. We can observe that starting from 4, the next colored square is the 4th square, reaching number 8. Again, starting from 8, again the 4th square is colored, reaching the number 12, and so on till number 28. Thus, every time 4 numbers were counted forward. So, we can say that the numbers in the colored boxes come in stages of 4, starting from 4. We can conclude that we get number in stages of 4 by going 4 numbers forward each time. Thus, here are the numbers in stages of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Similarly, when you start from a number, to know the stages of the number, count forward the same number every time. Thus, numbers in stages of 1, starting from 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Numbers in stages of 2, starting from 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. Numbers in stages of 3, starting from 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. Numbers in stages of 4, starting from 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. Numbers in stages of 5, starting from 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Starting from number 12, the next colored square is number 22. That is 10 steps forward. Again, the next colored square is number 32. Again, 10 steps forward. Thus, as we see the colored squares, every next square starting from the number 12 comes in stages of 10. Have a look at all the colored squares. So, remember students, given a number to start from and the stage, add that number to the starting number and then keep adding the same number. For example, question: write the number that comes after 15 in stages of 4. Solution: see the figure alongside. Starting from number 7, 4 is added to 7. The next number is 11. Again, adding 4 to 11, we get 15. Adding 4 to 15, we get 19. As we keep counting 4 numbers forward from 15, we get 19, 23, 27, 31, 35, and so on. Question: write the numbers in stages of 2. Solution: stages of 2 means counting 2 numbers forward every time. Thus, starting from 29 and counting numbers forward every time, we get the numbers in stages of 2 as 29 plus 2, 31 plus 2, 33 plus 2, 35 plus 2, 37 plus 2, 39 plus 2, 41.
Counting. Count the triangles in the streamers and write the numbers in the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. A counting game. Sonu and her friends have to count the ticklies. They are to be counted in groups. 10 ticklies to a group. Count the ticklies.